are we actually gonna drive this thing? All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Restoration Rescue. I'm Chris, and in today's video, we'll be back working on the C10. So you guys are in the driver's seat, and this is what we want to be seeing as we're taking this thing down the road soon. But to get there, we need to do some more grinding, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. Hopefully laying some filler and sanding it back to make this floor look perfect so we can lay another level of primer and then hopefully some paint. So we're gonna be grinding the interior. We've got some new tools and we're gonna have some fun. So as we see in here, we have some welds that need to be ground down, and it's a little tough to get in with the big grinder. So we have our brand new tool from Milwaukee. This thing is my first Milwaukee tool. It is battery powered. I have one of these air, but again, our air tank is down. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna hit this thing with some grinding and get this thing sort of flat so we can start working up this panel and get this thing smooth so it can be painted. All right, so we have done a lot of grinding right now, and we found a lot more spots we need to weld up as some of the holes have created once we have some grinds. So what we need to do now is continue to grind a little bit more and then knock out some welds, grind those back, and I have to let the Milwaukee charge. It is out of a battery. I only had charged it up to number 2. That's on me. But we're gonna use the Dremel right here that we have with this tip on here that is a grinding tip. So we're gonna grind some more metal away and hopefully get this thing ready to put some putty on so that we can start sanding it away and making this thing smooth. So that thing has been ground down after being welded, which I really was hoping we were done with welding, but every now and then a hole pops up and needs to be re-welded. So we got that ground down where it is ready for some body filler. As you can see, we have our body filler right here. And then we also have our hardener. So this is blue cream hardener. We're gonna go ahead and we are gonna get this thing mixed on the mixing table or on the mixing pad right here. We have our spreader, so we can get that knocked out and then we can go ahead and get it on the truck. All right, that looks awesome. We finally have some filler on this truck. We have some welding more to do as I found some more spots while grinding around the truck. Not that big a deal, just some small holes that'll be easily filled, and we can fill it up with some filler. We just need to do some more cutting back on this filler, but we have run out of time for this week. We'll see you guys next Saturday where we continue working on this, maybe lay in some more filler, maybe even lay in some more primer down so we can get this thing flat and glistening so we can start working on some paint. We'll see you guys next Saturday. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. If you really like it, share it with your friends so we get bigger and we can make more content for you. We'll see you guys next Saturday.